Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Stockpile, full guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Stockpile, download the Stockpile app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create your account by entering your email address and a secure password. Follow the prompts to provide any necessary personal information, such as your name and financial details. After setting up your account, familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Select the budgeting option in the main menu to start building your budget. Identify your income sources and enter their amounts in the designated fields. Next, outline your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Include variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and transportation in your budgeting list. Assign a specific dollar amount to each expense category you've listed. Review the total of your income and compare it with your total expenses. If your expenses exceed your income, prioritize your spending and look for areas to cut back. Once your budget is balanced, save your settings within the app. Track your spending by regularly updating the app with your daily expenses. Use the budgeting tools provided by Stockpile to analyze your spending habits. Consider setting savings goals using the app's savings feature. Periodically review and adjust your budget to reflect changes in income or expenses. Stay consistent with your budget by checking it weekly to remain aware of your financial standing. Utilize Stockpile's educational resources to improve your financial literacy over time. This method will help you manage your finances and work towards your financial goals effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.